Homework pressure? No more. At Spring Library, we explain every topic in simple way. Join the learning family and score high every day.
Hi, here in this given problem, from the top of the bridge, first stone is dropped. Dropped means its initial velocity will be 0, and the second stone that is thrown vertically down. Now height of the bridge, total height, h, that is given as 15.0 meter. Now for the first stone, first of all we will find time taken by the first stone to drop through an initial height of 3.20 meter. So in order to find time, using second equation of motion, h is equal to vit plus half g t square, h 3.20, vi that was 0, plus half multiplied by g, which is 9.8, into t square, and that t is calculated to be equal to 0.81 second. Now the second stone is thrown after the first stone has covered 3.20 meter downward in downward direction, but both reaches the ground at the same time. It means the second stone that will take 0.1 seconds less to touch the ground as taken by the first stone. So now to find the time, taken by first stone to touch the ground, using second equation of motion again, this time for h total 15.0 meter, vit that is still 0, half g 9.8, total time t square. So this time this t is calculated to be equal to 1.75 second, the total time taken by the first stone. So time taken by the second stone, which should be taken by the second stone, let it be t dash, that is t minus t, means 1.75 minus 0.81, calculated to be equal to 0.94 second. Okay, so using second equation of motion again, for the second stone whose initial velocity with which it should be thrown downward we have to find. So h total height is equal to vi dash that is missing, into t plus half g t square. Here this t is t dash. So plugging in the known values, this is 15.0 is equal to vi dash missing, we have to find it 0.944 t dash plus half multiplied by 9.8 multiplied by 0.94 square. So this equation is solved to get the value of vi dash to be equal to 11.4 meter per second, means the second stone should be thrown vertically down with a speed of 11.4 meter per second, so that both the stones will reach the ground simultaneously. Thank you.